Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button to become part of our family. And if you have been here before, welcome back. This channel is all about home decor, home designs, interior decor, different design styles, all of that good stuff that we love. So in today's video, let's dive deep into Christmas mantles, specifically garland on your Christmas mantles. I am going to be giving you different ways that you can achieve this look without much effort. You can go as extra or as basic and minimal as you would like with this style. So once again, let's get right into it. Of course, I will pop in a little later just to check in with you. Enjoy the video. Do you prefer Christmas decorations that are more traditional, like reds and greens and the golds for lights, or do you love a more neutral or subdued look? Definitely comment down below and let me know. I have even seen hot pinks and baby blues that are becoming the rage right now. Oh my god, this one was gorgeous, you guys. I absolutely love this one. But comment down below and let me know if you are a traditional decorator or if you prefer a more, extra style. Alright guys, we have had so many different looks here. Definitely comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. I have a treat for you. I am definitely going to turn you on to something new. If you are in the market for some upbeat type jazz Christmas music, you have to check out this CD. It's called Christmas in the Night by Jeremy Thomas, and it is amazing. I actually got it last year. It is the perfect accompaniment. I could barely get that word out to like whatever you have going on, whether you're wrapping gifts, having Christmas dinner, opening presents. I mean, it is perfect and it's family friendly. So go ahead and go to jeremythomasquartet.com and purchase your CD today. So I already asked you what your favorite part of the video was. Now is mine. My favorite was this one, you guys. Even though I am not a huge traditional color Christmas type person, this was absolutely beautiful. The red really stood out. It spoke to me, you guys. I hope you like it as well. Thank you for hanging out, watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.